Okay, so I'm going to show you guys today a fun way to use our new fruit cocktail nail charms. Okay, so today I'm going to use our limes and our orange slices, and you'll notice that they actually come in the round circles, but what I like to do is cut them into little wedges. So I'm going to just take my nipper and just clip those in half. I've got our nail all prepped, and so we can just start our application. Okay, so I'm going to start with our lemon zest, and then I'm just going to feather out the end of the nail. Press that really nice and thin so it just kind of fades that color off so that we don't have that solid line right at the edge. And then we're going to use our lemon jelly acrylic, and then we'll blend that all together just to give us a little bit of a clear free edge, and then blend it back up over our lemon zest. And then I'm going to use the point of my brush, and I'm going to start to pick up and place my little orange wedges and my lime wedges. I'm going to just make sure that those wedges are pressed down into my product. Okay, so I'm going to pick up a nice large pearl of our Speed Clear. I'm going to start that right at my cuticle area. And I'm going to angle that finger straight down so that that product starts running and flowing over the length of the nail and not down into my cuticle area. And I can just kind of let this product move on its own. As you're waiting for it to flow, you can kind of press out your cuticle area, make sure that your product is staying where you want it to. Once it stops flowing, then lift up, and then you can just kind of feather out the end of that product. Bring it all the way over the end of the extension. Pick up one more small pearl just to make sure that I cap the end, and then brush that back up to our stress area. So I'm going to let this nail set up, I'll file it, and I'll show you the finished product.